Today we have much of information including the features, design, and pricing of the new Apple Watch Series 9 and the Watch Ultra 2. The Apple Watch Ultra 2's display has been upgraded to 50mm, which is a significant increase over its predecessor's 49mm display. We've heard that this will be a little bit lighter as well, but we don't yet know the precise weight, so if you want something that looks different, simply think of the display as being bigger with lower bezels. Additionally, a new black titanium frame is reportedly on the way, although it will only be available for the Ultra. However, all the leakers now seem to be in agreement that this isn't the case for the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 2 and is more likely to be the case for an Apple Watch in a couple of years. There have been several reports that Apple would abandon the OLED screens in favor of tiny LED. The S9 chip, which Mark Gurman claims is based on the A15 Bionic used in the iPhone 13, will, of course, power the Watch Ultra 2. The upgraded chip will, of course, bring improved performance in terms of both raw power and battery life. This will be a huge assistance to Apple when it comes to the new watchOS 10 features, and it will supposedly include a new widget system on top of many other enhancements. Regarding the basic Apple Watch 9 series, there is rumor that a new pink color option will be introduced on top of all the hues we had last year, apart from the upgraded processor. There will be an option of 41 or 45mm for the Apple Watch 9, which is essentially unchanged from the Watch 8. Now that the Apple Watch 9 and the second-generation Apple Watch Ultra are being released in tandem with the new iPhone 15, Mark Gurman has predicted that it will happen on September 12th of next month. The release date is probably set for September 22nd, with pre-orders beginning the following Friday, September 15th, when the product will be released. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.